When you watch this video, you will not throw away the seeds of watermelon. Watermelon is a sweet, highly moisturizing and refreshing fruit originating in Africa, whose consumption and cultivation is widespread throughout the world. It is a very typical fruit of the summer along with the melon. Watermelon is a nutrient-dense food, which gives us a lot of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants for a low amount of calories. However, something that most do not know is that the seeds of watermelon can offer us even more benefits than the fruit itself. Watermelon seeds are rich in proteins and compounds that help treat different diseases and ailments. Watermelon seeds are also rich in citrulline, which is a compound with excellent antioxidant properties. Watermelon seeds help dilate blood vessels, which is beneficial for treating 1. Atherosclerosis, 2. Hypertension, 3. Angina chest, 4. They serve to remove stones in the kidneys, 5. They serve to eliminate intestinal parasites, 6. Serve as a natural laxative, 7. Powerful diuretic action, 8. Excellent source of energy and antioxidants. Ingredients: 1. 20 or 30 seeds of watermelon. 2. 2 liters of water. Preparation: grind the seeds until they become powdery. Then boil for 15 minutes in the 2 liters of water. Let it cool and strain. Indications: take a glass of this infusion for 2 continuous days, then rest on day 3 and continue the next day's treatment at this rate. The best thing is to drink the infusion during the morning while you are fasting. This way you will take better advantage of the properties of the drink. You'll see how well you feel when you've had it.